tallied up the scores so far in the playoffs. Texans have 122, Jets have 154. The Ravens and Cardinals that are about to play are on 72 points, which means they need 83 points to surpass the Jets and lock a position for the Super Bowl. Boom, 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 boom. Welcome one and all to this week's game. We have the Cardinals taking on the Ravens. For the Cardinals, we have Josh.
Howdy.
For the Ravens, we have Manny. Let's go in and meet the teams. Cards have El Toro Loco, TV, and Blaze. Ravens have Sphinx Truck, Reptoid, and Crusher. This is going to be a great game. Let's flip for ball. Hey, what do you know? I have a nickel. Manny, call it in the air. Heads it is.
Receive.
Manny receives. Game begins 5-minute quarters with a running clock. Ravens ball.
Thousand height.
It's like Sphinx Truck's got it. Sphinx Truck. Oh, makes the move. Sphinx Truck. He's out of bounds at the 20. 3 minutes and 57 seconds on the clock. Cardinals ball. Here comes Blaze. Here comes Blaze. I don't know who hit Blaze, but he got hit hard there. Two great teams might cancel each other out this game. Score is 0-0. 3 minutes and 12 seconds in the first quarter. Ravens ball.
Thousand height. Thousand height.
Comes Crusher. Crusher with the move.
Thousand height.
Comes Crusher. Too sharp out at the 10. 2 minutes and 21 seconds in the first quarter. No score yet. Cards ball.
Bring it.
Oh, he gets him off sides. Free play for the Cardinals. Comes Blaze. Oh, Blaze is hit. Fumbles. Oh, Blaze is hit. Fumbles.
One job. One job.
I couldn't do anything. You're blocking every lane.
Yeah, well, hey, that's the
Good for
breaks.
me.
Both these teams needed to score at least 80 points this game. Not good so far. Zip to zip. 48 seconds left in the first. Ravens ball.
Thousand height.
Ooh, this time he gets the Cards offsides. Here comes Crusher. Crusher with a touchdown. Here comes Crusher. Crusher with a touchdown. Ravens' first one's on the board with 6. 2, 1. That's the end of the first quarter. But still got a 2-point conversion we're going for. Crusher with the ball. Comes Crusher. Ooh, Crusher's hit. Comes Crusher. Ooh, Crusher's hit. Nice shoestring tackle. Score at the end of the first quarter. 6-0. Ravens lead it. Be back right after this. We begin the second quarter. Cardinals ball.
Bring it.
Here comes Blaze. Oh, Blaze makes a nice move for a touchdown. Oh, Blaze makes a nice move. Cards got him. 6-6. Cards going for 2. Blaze with the mud tires, with the move, touchdown, and spicy. Blaze with the move, touchdown. 2 more for the Cards. They get 8-6. 4 minutes and 11 seconds left in the second quarter. Ravens ball.
Ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go. Ready to go. Height. 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 Go.
Crusher. Crusher with a move. He dives for it.
Go.
Crusher. Crusher with a move. He dives for it. Down at about the 12, 13-yard line. 3 minutes and 16 seconds left in the second. Cards ball.
Ready to go.
Ooh, Blaze by himself. Woohoo! Blaze has hit hard fumble. Ravens recover. Yeah. Got a player a little bit closer to the ball. Ravens to get a free run back.
Ready to go.
Crusher with it. Crusher with the move. Touchdown. Crusher with the move. Crusher with the move. Touchdown. Just slid in the corner of the end zone there. Ravens with 6 more on the board, make it 12-8. Ravens going for 2. Comes Crusher. Oh, Crusher's hit. Comes Crusher. Oh, Crusher's hit. Oh, Crusher's hit. What a tackle. Stopped just short of the goal line.
Ridiculous.
Great defense. Score remains 12-8. 1 minute and 5 seconds left in the first half. Third ball.
Ready to go. Go.
Raised the ball on the hip. Ooh, hit and stopped.
Here it goes.
Oh, Card's going for a field goal. Card's set up. Start the clock.
2, 1.
Picks up.
That was it. It bounced right off the pole. And
I
went
don't
in.
think it was in.
Yes, it was.
I think it was out. I think
That
it
was-
bounced off the pole and down.
What are you talking? Is that bing? Right into it
Go
was
to
in.
Sarge.
It was in.
After further review, it's good.
Cardinals with 3 more on the board, make it 11-12. 11 seconds left in the half. Ravens
Where'd he go?
ball.
Ready to go. Go.
Pressure. Boom! Woohoo! What a hit.
Go.
Boom! Woohoo! What a hit. To end the half. Score is 11-12 at halftime. We'll be back with the second half right after this. Back to start the second half. Score is 11-12. 4 minutes and 56 seconds. Cards ball.
Ready to go.
Comes Blaze. Oh!
Ready to go.
Comes Blaze. Oh! Blaze is steered by El Toro Loco right into the end zone. Touchdown.
When a player loses a helmet. Wait, does that count? Because he's still got his face guard on, but his helmet's off.
Crusher still officially has part of his helmet.
If a player loses part of his helmet, I have no idea what to do.
Cards with 6 more on the board. 17-12. Cards going for 2.
Good job.
Plays backwards. Woo! Just right by him. Nice.
Good job.
Plays backwards.
Good
Woo! Just right by him. Nice. 19-12. 3 minutes and 21 seconds left in the third. Gonna try a new angle. Test it out before we get to the Super Bowl. Ravens on offense. Cards ready on D.
Got it.
Crusher with the ball. Boom! Ooh, Crusher tries to make the move, but he's stopped. Boom! Ooh. Ooh. Still 19-12. 2 minutes and 38 seconds left on the clock. Cards ball.
Ray!
Blaze.
Yep.
These guys.
Go! Go!
Blaze. Blaze with the move. Touchdown.
Go!
Blaze with the move, touchdown.
Go. Cardinals increase their lead here. 25-12. Cards going for 2. Here comes Blaze. Ooh, Blaze is stopped by Sphinx truck. Here comes Blaze. Ooh, Blaze is stopped. Great hit. Score remains 25-12. 1 minute and 15 seconds left in the third. Ravens ball. Sphinx truck. Sphinx truck through everybody for the touchdown.
Sphinx truck. Sphinx truck.
Sphinx truck through everybody for the touchdown.
Oh, nice run.
Wow.
About time the Ravens gave it to Sphinx truck. Makes it 25 to 18.
Ravens going for 2. Here comes Sphinx truck. Here comes Sphinx truck. Interesting way to carry the ball. 2 points are good.
Look at that. Ravens suddenly make a game of it. 20 to 25.
3, 2. Ooh, Cards with a last-second timeout. There's 1 second left on the clock. Cardinals ball. I'll give it a verbal countdown. Ready? 1. Here comes Blaze. Blaze with a great move right out of bounds. Ready? 1. Blaze with a great move right out of bounds. And that's the end of the third quarter.
Hey, you might need that. Score is 25 to 20. Be back right after this.
Back to start the fourth quarter. Score is 25 to 20. Clock begins. Cards on defense. Ravens ball. Here comes Sphinx truck backwards with the move. Touchdown. Here comes Sphinx truck back. The move. Touchdown. Ooh, fancy.
Look at that. Ravens making a comeback here.
Ravens going for 2. Sphinx truck. Oh, he's hit. He still makes a move. Sphinx truck. Oh, he's hit. Can't quite make it in. Great stop by Blaze.
It's a 1-point game, guys.
3 minutes and 31 seconds left on the clock. Cards ball.
Ready, go.
Here comes Blaze. Here comes Blaze.
He just went slow for some reason.
Wow, Blaze with a touchdown.
Cards. Man, 6 more on the board. 31 to 26. Great game.
Cards going for 2. He's Blaze backwards. Ooh, right by him. He's Blaze backward. Ooh, right by him.
2 points are good. 33 to 26.
2 minutes and 24 seconds left in the fourth. Still time to get one off before the 2-minute warning. Ravens ball.
Ready, go.
Going with 2. Sphinx truck with the move. Going with 2. Sphinx truck. The move.
Touchdown. That was nice. It'll all come down to this extra point, though.
We're stopped for the 2-minute warning, but we got a 2-point conversion we're going for here. Looks like Sphinx truck's getting it. Any day. Sphinx truck backwards. 2 points are good.
Sphinx truck backwards. 2 points are good.
Sphinx truck is keeping him in there.
Look at that. Ravens go up by a point. We're at the 2-minute warning, guys. Be right back.
Back from the 2-minute warning. Ravens on D. Cards ball.
Ready, go.
Here comes Blaze. Oh.
Ready, go.
Here comes Blaze. Oh, Ravens needed that stop.
Blaze scores. Setting up to be a great finish here. 33 plus 6 is 39. 21.
Guard's going for 2.
3, 2, 1.
Blaze. Oh, Sphinx with a stop. Blaze. Oh, Sphinx with a stop.
Still 39 to 34. Ravens ball.
55 seconds left in the game. Cards on D. Ravens ball.
Ready, go.
Sphinx truck. Sphinx truck with a score.
Ready, go.
Sphinx truck. Going for the pool.
Game time.
Wow. Ravens with a great comeback. Remember, loser goes in the bucket here. 34 plus 6, that's 40. They're 1 point up.
19 seconds left. Ravens going for 2. Sphinx truck. Oh, he's hit and stopped. Sphinx truck. Oh, he's hit and stopped. Josh goes for the timeout. Great stop by the Cardinals.
It's a 1 point game. It all comes down to this. Cardinals need to score and Ravens need to stop.
7 seconds left. 6, 5, 4, 3. Plays by himself.
Blaze with a touchdown.
5, 4, 3. Plays by himself.
Blaze with a touchdown.
Oh my goodness. To end the game. That's pretty much unstoppable, Manny. You
Yeah.
couldn't have done anything with that. Josh is victorious.
Woo!
You don't go in that pool, though.
Cardinals with a last second score here. 45-40. And they're going for 2 for absolutely no reason.
Cardinals going for 2 here. There we go, Blaze. Oh, Blaze is stopped, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Final score 45-40. The Cards are advancing. Time for the bucket.
We have the bucket. And here comes Crusher. Great season by the Ravens. Man, I thought for sure Ravens and Sphinx truck were going to make it. There's Rep Play with that wobbly tire.
I tried to get him a curve on that last play.
And finally, Superstar Sphinx truck still doesn't want to be tackled. It's in the bucket. All right, here's where we stand, guys. Both the Ravens and Cardinals had 72. Cardinals advance. I should have wrote it up on that other line, but it doesn't matter. Cardinals ended up with
45 plus 72. 117.
Cardinals with 117, and it's official. Jets are going to the Super Bowl with 154. Texans had 122. They'll be playing the Cardinals to see who takes on the Jets. It's a good thing this season is coming to an end because so is my marker. Jets on the line, going to the Super Bowl. We'll be back next week with the Cardinals taking on the Texans to see who advances to take on the Jets. All right, guys. We'll see you then. Good game, Josh. Good game, Manny.
See you guys.
Take care.